Oh, I'll have a lot of burps coming up.
Double play.
How many times do you do that at work?
Gurriel hits single.
Look at him out.
No, don't.
One pitch is low. Inside.
Wait till she sees my short.
Last time Trevor was 2-1. He fired one of his rare changeups to get back in the count. See the earned runs there. 2 runs that the Yankees scored. No. Now you're going to get Ronnie off. I'm just saying. Of course, Ron didn't make errors.
My grandma's asking me to stop, but I really can't because I need to get these out.
Stay 2-2.
I can't. I can't. Yo, banner.
To see that break and hit, he's not starting to get misses on it. I kind of know he's Valdez. Back to the curveball. 7. Getting stronger here. You said it before, during the regular season, 126 strikeouts on that curveball. Just great rotation.
I can't. I have all these burps built up.
Sign up with promo code HEAT. Let's take a look at the same game parlay update.
Little does she know I do that work like all day.
7 strikeouts for Valdez. Alvarez is tonight. Robert Valdez is going to be, I would guess, a top 3 Cy Young this year. Verlander most likely will win the award. He set a major league record for consecutive quality starts. This season he had 25 consecutive. Oh, got him. Back-to-back Ks. 8 strikeouts now. So all night he's had Kyle guessing. Fastball, curveball, and this every
My grandma's getting very annoyed. I'm hoping this one's going to be the last because, oh my god, there's just so many burps built up. One more, Grandma. One more.
Venezuelan native gets his first postseason start here tonight. A major lineup shakeup for Aaron Boone. Another one. He just fouled.